You ready to go outside? Forli's sitting by the door. She always knows when it's time to go. Okay, we'll go for a walk. It's Labor Day weekend, and Forli and I are out for a walk. We are on our way over to this really pretty community garden. It's a fantastic outdoor destination if we just want to get some exercise, but I want to incorporate a destination into, say, an exercise route. A while back, I created a video called Behind the Harness, How a Guide Dog and Handler Team Work Together, and people really seem to like that video, so I'm going to continue with that theme in this vlog. So at the beginning of the block now, we just left the street and we're settling into pace. I've asked my dog to go forward, so I'm thinking about following my dog correctly. We call that following position. Just getting into a nice pace. I'm always remaining what's called dynamically aware, meaning I know where I'm going at all times and what's happening around me. Are there vehicles? Are there potential distractions? Things like that. The workload here is relatively light as we're settling into a pace and paying attention to my dog's performance, just kind of monitoring how things are going as we start to progress down the block. At about the middle of the block now, we've settled into a nice pace, just monitoring my dog's performance as we travel along, being aware of any potential distractions, dogs, people, other things. I'm thinking about any obstacles that might be coming up along the route. And again, just maintaining that situational awareness. Getting towards the end of the block now, I'm starting to anticipate a street crossing coming up, so thinking about the approach, what that's going to look like. Are there any obstacles? Do I have to direct my dog to help me find the walk button pull, for example? Is it a pretty straight shot? Is it complex? Are there turn lanes? Things like that. The workload here is, I would say, moderate. Getting ready to cross the street now. This is where the workload is the highest. My dog and I are both concentrating on preparing to cross the street, being aware of traffic, other distractions, people, dog, and the behavior of the traffic. What's going on? Is everybody following the rules? Things like that. The concentration is high. The workload here is the highest. And if you see somebody who's visually impaired standing on the street corner, it's likely that they're not confused. They're most likely just studying the intersection to really make sure that things are safe as they proceed across the intersection. This has got to be the nicest interchange I've ever seen. Lots of vegetation. Real statue. Hey Forli, it looks like you. Let's check out this garden. Break time. Heading back now. We're almost done with this lovely walk. Click the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.